Good morning, kindergarten. This is Mrs. Cancer. I hope you are well, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, and ready for another kindergarten number story. As always, make sure you have a pencil, a piece of paper, and at least 12 pennies to use as counters to show our number story. Let's get ready. Kindergarten, during today's number story, we are going to take away some objects from the whole in order to find out how many are left. Yummy. I think bright, warm, sunny days are perfect for a nice cold treat. Give a thumbs up, kindergarten, if popsicles are your favorite. Me too. Well, yesterday I had 12 popsicles in my freezer. I took 4 popsicles out to share with my neighbors. I want to know how many popsicles I have left. Kindergarten, we know it's really important to reread our number story so that we can identify important information. Let's reread our story once again. There were 12 popsicles in the freezer. I took 4 outside to share with my neighbors. How many popsicles are left? Kindergarten. I heard some really important information in our number story. Give a thumbs up if you also heard important information. So I heard 2 important numbers and I heard a clue that helps me to figure out what I should be doing in this number story, whether I should add or subtract. Remember, adding is when we put 2 parts together to find the whole or the total, and we use a plus sign. Subtraction is when we take objects away and count what's left. We use a minus sign, which kind of looks like a short horizontal line. Hey, there's Minnie and Mickey. Minnie said she heard the numbers 12 and 4. If you agree with Minnie, tap your head. Mickey says it sounds like we're taking away popsicles. Taking away. Hey, that means we are going to, you guessed it, kindergarten, subtract. We will be using a minus sign in our equation. Kindergarten, we're at the point in our lesson where it's time to show our story. So this is a great time to grab your counters. Remember, we're using 12 pennies, your pencil, and a paper or a piece of paper. Pause the video and grab your materials now. Thumbs up, kindergarten, if you have your materials ready to go. Nice work. Now remember, we identified our two important numbers. What are they again? That's right, 12 and 4. Now, which number am I going to show first with my counters? I could try to start with 4, but can I pull 12 pennies out of 4? No way, Mrs. Cancer, that's impossible. So I need to start with my smallest or my biggest number first. You guessed it, kindergarten. I'm going to start with the biggest number first. And that number happens to be the number 12. Go ahead and organize your 12 counters in front of you. Let's count. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great counting. Now, I have my 12 counters, and these 12 counters represent my 12 popsicles. Yummy. But I did something with those 12 popsicles. I decided to give how many away to my neighbors? That's right, 4 away to my neighbors. Now, how am I going to show that with my 12 counters? Do you remember what we did yesterday? That's right, we need to take counters away from the whole or my total number of counters. Let's take 4 counters away. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move them off to the side. Let's pause the video for a second, and you're ready to show and draw what your counters look like now, kindergarten. How'd you do? Did you draw your story? So perhaps your story looks something like this. You drew 12 popsicles or 12 circles, and then you needed to show the 4 popsicles that Mrs. Cancer gave away. How do we show objects that we decided to take away? That's right, kindergarten. We cross out. How many did we need to cross out? 4. I gave 4 popsicles away. That means we need to cross out 4 popsicles. After we cross out our 4 popsicles, we're not done yet because we have to figure out how many popsicles are left. Can you tell how many popsicles are left by looking down at your counters or your drawing? Good work. How many popsicles are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I gave away 4 popsicles, and I have 8 popsicles left still to enjoy. Yummy. Remember, 12 popsicles. Take away 4 popsicles, leaves 8 popsicles. Kindergarten. Kindergarten, now we're ready to draw our equation or our number sentence. Remember, we started out with 12 popsicles. So that's the first number in our number sentence or equation. 12 is the whole. Next, we need our symbol. We subtract it, so we're using a takeaway or a minus sign. 12 take away. How many popsicles did we take away, kindergarten? That's right, we took away 4 popsicles. So the next number in our equation is the number of objects that we took away. 4. 12 popsicles altogether. Take away 4 popsicles. Next, we need our equal sign. Equals, and then our final number, our answer, is whatever we have left after we took away. How many popsicles did I have left after I gave my 4 away? 8. The answer is 8. So 12 popsicles take away or minus 4 popsicles equals 8 popsicles left. Nice work subtracting, kindergarten. Let's do some more tomorrow. Have a great day.